Dayag ang diwa sa Pasko nining Christmas Village nga gibida sud sa usa ka resort sa lungsod sa Bohol. Ang maong Christmas Village nagpakita sa White Christmas nga sagad masinati sa mga dapit nga adunay snow. Sa unang tan-aw, daw susama ra kini sa mga yanong Christmas Village nga atong naandan nga gidisplay. Apan kining tanan, mamahimo makaon di ay kay kini ginama sa gingerbread, lakip na ang icing ug ang mga candies. Usa sa mga nangunay niini ang executive chef sa maong resort nga si Chef Erwin Eusebio. This morning mga kapuso, dungan tang tanawon kini aron feel na feel ang hashtag Love is Us karong Pasko dinihilang sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Kami ay Gingerbread Christmas Village nga gibida sud sa usa ka resort sa Panglao, Bohol ug atong ilailahon ang nagpaluyo niini nga si Chef Erwin Eusebio. Mayong buntag and Merry Christmas, sir! Welcome din sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Maayong buntag, Ms. Ma'am Cecil, and I wanted to greet all the televiewers and, of course, the viewers of the GMA Regional TV.
Daghang salamat kayo, Chef. Una sa tanan, let's talk about your Gingerbread Christmas Village. Ano yung naging inspirasyon mo, Chef, sa paggawa nito?
Well, Be Grand Hotel and Resort's theme for this year, ma'am, is Be the Spark and Light the Way. So this signifies the entire province of Bohol.
Chef, how long did it take you to finish the Gingerbread Christmas Village? And what ingredients did you use?
Yeah, it took us 3 to 5 days to work on the entire village. And some of the ingredients are starch, ginger powder, some cumin, some cloves, nutmegs, and spices, and savory butter.
Looks masarap talaga itong Gingerbread Christmas Village. Pero Chef, how do you feel upon seeing the children and the adults na tuwang-tuwa talaga sa ginawa niyong Christmas Village made of gingerbread?
As one of the creators of the village, Ma'am Cecil, I am happy, excited, and as well as proud that children post and have some pictures on the creation.
Kailan nagsimula, Chef, itong pag-display niyo sa Christmas Village?
It started when our tree lighting ceremonies, if I'm not mistaken, it's November 24, 25.
At dahil nga ang sarap tingnan, Chef, no, ng Christmas Village niyo, pwede ba itong kainin, Chef?
Well, we have some goodies that are Christmas goodies that are placed in our lobby, so you can have you can purchase as well. You can taste the not only gingerbread cookies, but also a wide selection of goodies, Christmas goodies.
Chef, kailan mo na-discover yung interest at ability mo sa pagluto at sino yung nag-impluwensya sa'yo?
My great-great-grandmother, because back in Manila, ma'am, we own a catering service. And she taught me several cuisines as well as methods of how to do things quality-wise and appearance as well. So started with my great-grandmother.
For you, Chef, ano yung tunay na kahulugan ng Pasko, lalong-lalo na sa paghahanda ng pagkain for Noche Buena?
Well, for me, ma'am, a true meaning of Christmas is first is pag-ibig. When the Creator sent His only begotten Son and pay for our sins, for me, that's pag-ibig. Pag-asa, we know that Bohol, or not only Bohol, but the entire Philippines, and suffered so much with regards to COVID. And for Bohol, right after Yolanda, came Odette. So that's we have to be hopeful. And the last is matatag, pagiging matatag. So, and we Filipinos are, we can do it right and be stronger with all these calamities.
Totoo talaga. And before we end this interview, Chef, ano naman ang Christmas message mo para sa ating mga kapuso ngayong umaga?
I want to greet each and every televiewer of GMA Regional TV a very Merry Christmas to all. And I'm inviting everyone to go and visit Panglao, Bohol.
Merry Christmas din sa inyo, Chef, at daghang salamat.
Bigyan salamat.